What's up guys? Techno5 here, and this video is YAXIN 3-pack Slim Sport Bands, compatible with Fitbit Sense or Fitbit Versa 3 band for women, soft silicone lace replacement wristbands for Fitbit Versa smartwatch. The links to all of the things discussed in this video are available in the description below. And let's start it. YAXIN Thin Lace Silicone Replacement Wristbands specially designed for Fitbit Versa 3 or Fitbit Sense. One size, fits for 5.6 inch - 7.1 inch wrist. Please choose your favorite Fitbit Versa 3 or Fitbit Sense smartwatch accessories. YAXIN band compatible for Fitbit Sense or Fitbit Versa 3 with fashion narrow thin slim design. Elegant flower lace hollowed out pattern makes your smartwatch more thinner, lighter and less bulky. These Fitbit Versa 3 watch bands adopted classic metal clasp. It is more security and stable. Perfectly fits for women, ladies, girls daily wear. Our Fitbit Sense watch bands for women are made of premium soft silicone material, and designed with lace air holes, breathable and comfortable for your wrist. The Fitbit Versa 3 watch band is soft, odorless, durable, waterproof, dirt-proof, lightweight and skin-friendly. Please buy it with confidence. YAXIN Fitbit Versa 3 or Fitbit Sense bands come with connectors that are easy to remove and install, which click precisely and securely onto your Fitbit Versa smartwatch interface. No longer worry about losing your watch. Adjustable size for 5.6 inch - 7.1 inch wrist. For other product info, be sure to subscribe, and as always I will see you tomorrow. And stay classy.